You can expect a lot from the 2019 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, and power windows. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.